As people get even more comfortable with forms, they make some requests like, hey, can we change the color of the form, or can we add our logo to the form? Easily done in Access. Now, I don't know about you, but I really don't like surprises in databases, and here's a very common one. Sometimes when people try to print out a record on a form, I get a phone call with someone screaming, help, it's printing all the records. Let's make sure this doesn't happen to us. Let's make sure we know how to print one record on a form if that's all we really want to print. Now for this, I'm actually going to go to the test form that we have with just a few records so we can really play with this and see what kind of formatting options we have. Now, to do this, I'm actually going to work with the layout view for a little bit, and we'll see what changes we can make here. Let's see if this works still when we close and reopen the form. So I'm going to close this form and save the changes. Now let's reopen it. The customers are still in alphabetical order. So the point is, if you do a sort on a form, it actually will keep that sort the next time you open the form. So to start, we'll click the File tab, and we'll click Print. Now, you can either print it, or if you want to see what it looks like before you print, we probably should do this. Let's click Print Preview. Now here's something interesting. We're trying to print one record here, but if you look, it's going to want to print all of the records. Here is a key point to printing. You want to make sure that your form is filtered down to the record or records you want to print. Otherwise, it's going to print everything. Just remember this, though, when you're doing formatting on forms. Make this the last move you do on your forms. Make sure your forms are working well, make sure they're functional, and then make those cosmetic changes. And then your forms will work just fine, and they'll have your favorite colors.